Well, hello out there, all my DIY artsy crafty friends and family. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, welcome. My name's Dee, aka the Messy Perfectionist. And on this channel, I'm sharing my love and learning experience for all things DIY artsy crafty related, with a heavy focus on the newish to me world of adult coloring. It's kind of funny because I say the newish to me, and I just realized a few moments ago before I started recording that it has been almost a year that I have really started this channel, I think, and just coloring in general. I can't remember, maybe it's not quite a year that I've done this channel, but it has been about a year that I've been coloring. And so spoiler alert for future video, I want to do one soon to share how that journey has went. So show you guys, like, from the very first coloring that I did to, say, you know, my very last for the end of December. And let's take a look and see where I've improved. I'm kind of excited to do that because I really haven't taken a look at that. So anyway, if that sounds good to you and you have not yet subscribed, please do consider hitting that little subscribe button, the like, the notification bell, all that good stuff. I'm having a lot of fun creating content for you guys, and I've really enjoyed, and it has brightened my spirit to share this experience with you and learn from so many of you as well. So but in today's video, I am going to be sharing a quick unboxing of one of my Christmas presents to me. I had been waiting on getting this. You guys know I love Sarah Renae Clark's color catalogs, and I have wanted the color cubes for over a year. When I really started following her videos and taking a peek at her website, and she is a big inspiration for me on taking the journey to learn to color and learn to color better, really, if I'm being honest. And then of course I found so many other wonderful colorists out there, and I've learned so much from all of you guys. It's awesome. But anyway, so I've waited on the color cubes and have faithfully used my color catalogs, which I have on my iPad, I have on my computer, I have them in a few different places, so they're kind of always within reach if I'm needing some color inspiration. And then I would like print out a page here and there, and I just figured, you know what, it's Christmas. I tend to like to buy myself something, and this is what I got for myself for Christmas that I thought would serve me really well. So this is the Color Cubes Volume 1 and 2, which are basically the color catalogs in their own little card form. So no more printing out. I'm super excited. It'll be easy to like take a card from up here and go downstairs, and because I've been doing a lot of coloring there. I think I mentioned that in the last video. But anyway, I figured I would just do an unboxing in case you guys are maybe interested in learning a little bit about the color cubes yourself and wanted to see what they look like in person, so to speak. I also will have a link down below to the color cubes and some of her other products that I use, like the catalogs, and this, I did a video, I'll try to remember to insert it, but also for her 2024 planner, which I have been starting to work on. I'm excited to also share some of that with you guys as well. So let's get this guy open. I really didn't wait very long for it at all. I ordered it after Christmas, and as the day I'm recording it, it is currently December 30th. So I'm trying to hide my address here. Oh, they're so pretty. They're bigger than I thought. I actually thought for some reason they were going to be smaller. That is, I'm not complaining here. Oh, look how pretty. The one thing I have to say about everything that I've gotten downloads or purchased, physical items from Sarah Renae Clark's website, they're very good quality. Like, they put a lot of thought into what they sell. I don't really buy anything from like random sources and other YouTube channels, although I have purchased a few things from the Y-Files shop because I love the Y-Files. If you guys don't know what the Y-Files are, you gotta check them out. But so I did get something from there, but other than that, I have purchased many things from Sarah Renae Clark's website because they are very good quality, as you will be able to tell if you watch like the planner video and all that stuff, or if you own her things. So here are the cubes. I don't know if they say, nope, they don't say on the box what volume is which. So I guess we'll just have to open them up to find out. So let's do that. I like that they're packaged well. You know, they fit perfectly in the packaging box, so they're not getting damaged as they're in transit. At least mine weren't, luckily. So that's always nice. Well, there's a little space right there. I'm kind of, maybe I'll put like volume 1, volume 2, once we figure out which is which. Yeah, I'm so excited to get these. I've sat on this. I've not gotten these for myself because I was like, well, I've got the catalogs and the companions, and you know, but it's just, I don't know. I like having physical items. And what I mean is, like, I like physical books much more over like a Kindle reading on an iPad. I like having the physical items to hold in my hand. Same thing with the planner. That's why I, you know, went with the physical planner versus getting the digital downloads, because I love it, and the quality is amazing. So let's see what we got here. And I'm not going to flip through all 500 cards, you guys. So, okay, they say on the inside, volume 1. Okay, so volume 1, volume 2. They're so pretty. The packaging is nice. It's really good. So this one has a little thing around it. This one does not. Oh, it does in the bottom. It just shifted around a little bit. So what is this? Oh, look at that. There's a little 1 and a little 2. Probably, are they transparent? Let's see. It is transparent, so I probably wouldn't want to put that on that little spot that's a clear one. You probably want to put it on a colored square. So let's just go ahead and do that right now. Let me see how this guy goes. Little like Rubik's Cube thing happening here. Okay, volume 2. So since I don't want it, I want it to stand out. Maybe I'll put it there. I don't know. Or here? Where should we put it? Oh gosh, Dee, it's not that complicated. Here, I'm going to put it down here because I can use that spot to write in if I want something on the lid. So I just did that. I just put the 2 right there. And let's find the front of this one. See, there's the instructions. So beautiful. Okay, so let's just take a little look. Like I said, I don't plan on flipping through all 500 on camera, but let's just get these guys out. Let's see. Look how pretty. Oh gosh, so excited. There's the instructions. Let's see what's in the bottom of the box here. I think it's just, yep, it's just the base. So there's a nice little base in there. I'm going to put this back down here, like the other one is in there. So we got some instructions on using the color palette, on how to match colors. There's the hex codes, probably on the back here. Yep. And tints and shades. Each card also, I'm just going to read this because I wasn't familiar with this part. Each card also includes 20% tint and 20% shade of each color. This can help you visualize the darker and lighter variations if you want to expand your color range or include highlights and shadows of your artwork. That is awesome. Awesome for me, awesome. Because I'm a new colorist and I need all the help I can get with learning how to do the shading and the tints and all of that. So this is going to be very helpful for me. And you can see on the back there. So here is the card. This is number 1. So these will correspond to your color catalogs. Here is the color palettes, and then on the back it has the colors, names, the hex codes, and then the shades and the tints also. So I love that. And this is like, if you're a digital artist, I think that can be helpful for you there. I love this too, because also with the color companions, I'm curious to see if the shades on the cards are a better match for, say, the Prismacolor companion guide versus what I see on my monitor. So I always feel like they're a little off, and that's just because everybody's computer monitor is going to be a little different, right? So yeah, so let's just, I'm going to keep these in order best I can. I love this. So then, you know, sometimes I love the catalog because you can search by keywords and things like that. But sometimes I just literally just want to flip through. And I just have like a printed out copy, and it's not a very good printed out copy because my copier is not very good of the color catalog. So this is going to be much nicer when I'm just wanting to kind of flip through and feel what I'm feeling for inspiration. Sometimes I don't know which colors I want to use. Sometimes I just need to see it. I love this one. It's still my favorite, one of my favorite. Look at that. I also thought, and this is not, I'm stealing this idea from Pinterest. I saw somebody holding one of these cards and they had their nails done in that palette. And I thought, that's something I don't know if I've thought about, or maybe I have and I just forgot. But, you know, I do my own nails. So I think they'd be great for some of my nail art, for some inspiration too from time to time. These are just beautiful. Very nice. So yeah, so there should be 250 cards in each volume, if I remember correctly. Yep, 250. So we're just gonna put that back. Gonna put, oh, there's some more stuff on the back too. Let's just put this back here. So on the back, it just has, let's see, the color names. The color names provided are an approximate description of each color as categorized in the color catalog. There are over 1,000 color categories included, but you may find the same color listed twice for slightly different colors where those colors were best categorized together. As there is no universal naming system for colors, please use these names as reference only and do not rely on them for accurate printing or color matching. Yes, of course. So your best way to color match, other than using the companion guides, is of course just using your swatch guides. I'm just going to put that on top. Using your swatch guides of your chosen pencil or marker, and then holding that swatch up to, I think is the best way. Okay, so that's one. Just take a peek at two. Just make sure everything's in good condition. Looks good. Everything's the same in there. Looks good. We've got the same instruction card for this guy. There's also a little bit about share your art using the hashtag ColorCube and Color Catalog. So we'll have to remember to do a little bit of that too. And then this should be from 251 to 500. And it is. So yeah, you guys know I use the color catalog all the time, and I'm sure I'm going to be using the color cubes a lot now that I have them. I'm so excited. I know it sounds silly, but I love them so much, and they help me get inspiration and also more organized, if that makes sense, for when I'm coloring. That's so pretty. Look at that. They're all pretty. I don't know. They're just gorgeous to look at. This is also one of my favorites. I did, using this palette, I did a page out of Worlds Within Worlds. I kind of did this city in these kind of colors, and I really like the way it came out. I've probably used a lot of these, and there's probably plenty I haven't used. So fun. So there. So that's my Christmas present to me. I'm very excited to have received this so soon and just wanted to share my happiness and joy with all of you guys, and also to let you all see what these color cubes look like in case you yourself were considering maybe buying these. I think they're a great little investment if you like to color, if you decorate. I mean, you could just use these for so many things. And again, if you have the color catalogs, that's just as good. This is just a little extra for me for my Christmas present. So with that said, I hope you guys all had a wonderful Christmas. I hope you have a beautiful New Year's or holiday season, and however you celebrate. You are all beautiful, and I am looking forward to sharing more with you in 2024. And I will talk to you all later. Bye.